Attaching a DigitalOcean Virtual Private Cloud or VPC to your resources is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of networking and DigitalOcean services. To start, a VPC is a virtual isolated network within DigitalOcean where you can launch resources like droplets, load balancers, and databases. First, you need to create a VPC in your DigitalOcean account. Log into your account and navigate to the VPC section. Click on Create a VPC and choose a name for your VPC network. You also need to specify the region where your VPC will be located. DigitalOcean allows you to create multiple VPCs in different regions, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Once your VPC is created, you can start attaching resources to it. To attach a droplet to your VPC, navigate to the droplet creation page and select the VPC network you created earlier. You can also attach existing droplets to your VPC by navigating to the droplet settings page and updating the VPC network. Another key concept to understand when working with VPCs in DigitalOcean is the idea of a private IP address. When you launch a droplet in a VPC, it is assigned a private IP address that is only accessible within the VPC network. To access your droplet from outside the VPC, you need to assign a public IP address or use a load balancer. Best practices for attaching a DigitalOcean VPC include organizing your resources into separate VPCs based on their function or environment. For example, you can create separate VPCs for production and development environments. You should also use security groups to control traffic flow within your VPC network. In conclusion, attaching a DigitalOcean VPC to your resources is a simple process that requires some basic knowledge of networking and DigitalOcean services. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, you can create a secure and scalable network architecture for your applications.